So I have all the pieces here for the pencil skirt. When you cut out your pieces, it's very important just to mark which side is the top. Otherwise it can be very confusing and we might end up sewing it backwards. So this is the top of the two front and back pieces, and these are the two waistband pieces. So we're going to start with the big pieces here. So we're going to pin the long edges here. And we're going to sew them both. So I've sewn these edges here. Usually I'd use my overlocker, but I'm in the middle of making something for a friend and didn't want to change the color. So just going for a zigzag stitch today, and I'm going to trim the edge. Now this part is ready. I'm going to get the waistband ready as well. I'll get my two pieces, right sides together. Now we're going to sew these two short edges here. So I finished zigzag stitching this one. I'm going to trim the edge as well. Now we're going to fold it in half with the right sides facing out. I just pin the edges because I find it easier to work with. Amazing, so that's what we want. We're going to turn the skirt the right way around. So this side is the top, that's why I keep a little clip on the top, because it can be confusing. So we're going to take this waistband, raw side facing this way to the top of the skirt. We're going to put the skirt on the inside, like so, and we're going to pin all the way around. So that is all done. The waistband has been pinned, so we're going to sew all the way around here. I finished the seam here. I'm going to trim it like I did for the rest. So this is all done. The very last step is to hem the bottom. We're going to fold it in 1.5 centimeters, like so, and we're going to stitch along here, and then you're all done.